Here we are, MMTs. Give me an update, MMTs.
FFIVs hitting a top at 108, pulled back to 107, still moving. CMG $10 off the top, $10 off the bottom, up to 279.80. Apple still waiting. QCOM at 57.94, put in a high at 58 and change. Still waiting on Apple computers.
And that knee-jerk reaction, that long and short and after hours on the CMG was about $30 or $40 that could be made up and down. You just have to take the SMF after hours earnings course and you can do all of this. Hey, prices go up, you go up. Prices go down, you sell short. Prices go up and down, and you just keep doing it all day long. And after hours, though, is a very, very skilled environment. And it takes some training. And you can get it because we're doing all of these live here right now. This isn't like you go into your little other websites on the internet. Of course, they're always going to tell you after everything moves. So what? That doesn't make you money. And if that's what you want, then I don't want you watching these videos either, because that's where you belong. This is real here and now. So let's keep the realities of what it is. Right now, we're getting ready to trade this Apple, just like we traded all these names here. And as soon as that knee jerk comes out, I got the after hours chart right here. We're ready to go long and short. It doesn't matter to us. None of this matters to us. The only thing that matters is what direction it goes up and what direction it goes down, the expert analysis that goes with it. But let us be clear that this is all done before the move ever happens. If that's what you're really looking for, you're at the right place. Let it be known, MMTs that are there. Let it be known, MMTs. Put a limit order out to buy this stock at $322 on any knee jerk down and any short up and you know, within a 30-second trade for the money. $3 or $4 right now. It's kind of coming down to $3.42. You just have a little bit. That guy had $41 million money flow, 19.8 million shares, including after hours market. Here we are on the rock slugger Apple computer.
Down to
as far as Chipotle Mexican Grill, they did beat by 3 cents. Okay, Qualcomm beat by 6 cents. All right, the other one here beat by a few pennies on FFIV, and we'll be doing them individually so you can find them there. So Lam Research beat by 9 cents and reports revs in line. That's a semiconductor stock. Chipotle Mexican Grill beat by 3 pennies. Now, I don't have anything about the margins and the comps and things like that. They plan on opening 135 to 148 new restaurants. Basically, we're waiting on Apple Computer because that's what this video is to be about. We're just updating some of the other earnings here. What a wild ride. We're just going to show that knee-jerk reaction. So, when we get it, I don't have a number. Have a number here. I got an Apple number. I had a spike up to 347,
down to 342, 344, 345, 345, 78, 345, 347. Coming up.
There it is.
I see 348, 348, 349. Q2 results imminent. I don't got a number yet. 349.
I don't have a number, but I hear they beat. So
349, 348 and a half. Coming back. 348.
640 versus 537. Revs are 24.67 billion now. Versus 23.83 billion was Reuters consensus. So the revs are higher. That's the knee jerk. That's the knee jerk. That's the knee jerk. Apple to halt trading ahead of earnings. So it was halted prior to that report, everyone. And basically 640 versus 537, 24.67 billion versus 23.8 or 38 billion. So that's now we're going to have to find out what the guidance is going to be. We're getting a really nice rip on that high, and we'll come back. There's that tick chart. So we don't know what the guidances are going to be, and if it slides the bid off the top, we're going to sell it short after hours on that first slide, that bid bar right here. Slide that bid, take that profit, slide that bid, sell short down, slide that bid, take that move down. It's $2 off the high. We got hit right there. He's got that first 3 bar with the 6. Now it's time to cover. Now it's time to cover there. That trade's over. Now we're going to do a different live video.